So here I am at Mars Bridge Wilderness Park, 13630 Mars Bridge Road. I'm here, of course, I have my gear on. This is my normal uniform, fishing vest. I usually have the fishing hat on, camouflage pants, long sleeve shirt for the mosquitoes. It's breathable material. Have my camera, my GoPro, and I have a DJI pocket that I'm filming this on. Have a pocket full of lenses, micro lens over here. I'm taking little close shots of things. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been out here for about 30 minutes and the sun's up. It's a beautiful day. And this is one of like 8 different parks in this area. You have Lettuce Lake Park, you have Trout Creek Park, you have Flatwood, and a couple others. I've been to those that I named, that's why I remember. But most of them, well, all of them have hiking trails, biking trails, canoe, kayak launches. We have 6 parks in this area. They're all together, they're all one park, but they're different entrances. And one's, well, as you can read, one's Veterans Memorial, another one's Trout Creek, Mars Bridge is where I'm at now. Flatwood is up the road, Dead River. Not too familiar with that one. Primitive Youth Camping, Primitive Youth. Neanderthals, damn it. And number 6, John B. Sargent. I think I was there, I'm not sure. I go to quite a few of these, but Trout Creek, Mars Bridge, Flatwood. Lettuce Lake is before you get to Trout Creek. Then after Trout Creek is Mars Bridge. Then there's Flatwood. Veterans Memorial. It might be, I'm not quite sure. Under Fowler? Mars Bridge Road, yes. I think it changes from here to there. And that road goes on to Flatwood and a couple other parks here in Hillsborough State Park, Hillsborough County Park. Look at that view there. It's early morning. It is 9:30. Look at that view. Kind of cool watching fish jump. This is on the other side of the Mars Bridge Conservatory. It's on the opposite side. It's on the same side as the bike trail they have that runs from Trout Creek to Flatwood, maybe a little farther. I just keep remembering Flatwood because I missed my exit and winded up at Flatwood. Couldn't find anywhere to park because there were so many people out there biking and all the parking spots were taken up. If you guys want a really great picture, go stand like in the middle of the bridge and look straight down the stream. And I already took pictures here, so I've been at home and seen them already, you know how they look. And what happens, the reflection forms because the trees are going like this and the reflections off the water is so nice.
Which bridge?
Right here, that one right there. Just look straight up there. If you look straight up, you can see it with your eye, but it looks so much better when you get home and put it on or put it up. You're like, oh my God. Y'all have a good one. It is a beautiful picture though. I was like, oh man. I wanted the name Reflection, but while I was getting ready to put it up, I seen somebody had already had one up there by the name of Reflections. That is the weirdest thing, boy. Do you see the tree with the Is it grass or is it, it's grass, right? Or is it part of the tree growing? Yeah, that's grass. Yeah, because here's a part of the tree right here that's, the bottom's washed out. When I first came out here before the sun came out, well, I hadn't ventured this far yet, but no bugs. Now I'm being attacked by bugs, and I have the bug spray in my car, but I'm like, oh, I won't need it. It's too cold for bugs. Well, the bugs see the sun just like I seen it. Now, when I came back here before, this was still somewhat submerged. But not so much now, at least this far. Oh yeah, the path is clear. Oh, look at that tree. Huh, tree formed a little dam over there. Or maybe a bridge, I guess. Can't get close. Oh yeah, I can see it's just a little bridge. Probably for little mammals that ventures out here. And the thicker I get in here, the more bugs. I might have to go back and put on some bug spray. I will after my first bite. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you see all kind of bugs floating through the air. And all kind of weird tracks on the ground too. Guess they like this path as well. Okay, that looks like what is that? Fence? It's a fence of some sort. Okay. But of what? Oh yeah, I did. Bought these boots just in time. Okay, this is a fence for, don't know. Huh. So I guess I could go that way. I'll go that way. Okay, since it's more water that way, let's go this way. Ah, somebody with boots been here before me. Let's hope those are boots. Okay, see sneaker tracks, boot tracks. Ooh, high heels. Just joking. Okay, this is where I'm at. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. Plus, I don't think Kansas has this many bugs. I just think this is, I think what, spring will be on the 20th, officially. And that'll be the summer. Okay, that's a little bit too wet. And I don't see any path anymore, which is normally mean, but I need a little dry. I'm gonna have to take these boots back in the car. Actually, it's the bugs that's getting me, so. Ooh, nice. So we're gonna head on back. They're flying out. I have my little floppy hat. I see I'm gonna have to put on my little floppy hat that I have in the car. You know, the one that you keep your lures in? Yeah, I have one of those. Plus I have my bug spray in there because I'm about to go. And some other woods that's deeper down in the path. It's one that's a bike path called Suicide Trail, something like that. Anyway, I'm about to go over there, so catch you on the rebound. Yeah, so the bugs they're getting fierce out here, so we're gonna load up with some bug spray. At least I don't smell like Raid. This is Cutter Skin Sensations, Aloe and Vitamin E. Ooh, and it moisturizes skin. What? Anyway, all jokes aside, because these mosquitoes, I don't think they're mosquitoes because I don't hear the buzz. Even though we know only the male buzz, but nevertheless, there's males, females are not far behind. And vice versa, so nobody thinks I'm sexist. Have to clear that up real quick. Okay, ready to take an intro. Yeah, all right. Where I'm at now is the launch for the canoes and the boats, canoes, and kayaks. Kind of picturesque out here. Beautiful views. You guys been to Robertson Preserve?
Oh yeah, often.
I know.
One of my favorite
I
places.
know, right?
Have you been to
Eagles,
Circle B?
ospreys. Who?
Circle B.
No.
Oh,
Where's
yeah,
that?
yeah,
Where's
yeah.
that?
Circle B.
Where's Circle B?
Lakeland.
Well, it's in Lakeland, so it's like about an hour and a half. It's a
Lakeland?
drive.
Yeah.
May I ask why you guys have a lure up there?
Where?
Up there, above you. Is that catch like?
That barber? I don't know. That was there when we got here.
Oh, I thought it was strategically placed there.
No, somebody had some bad skills.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, that's what you call bad skills. And they skills probably was sad too.
That's catching in there.
I'm trying to catch them bluegills. You know, they call them brim down here.
Yeah.
Right?
So it don't seem like they mess with too much around here. They actually built the boardwalk over fallen trees and stuff. This water looks so beautiful. As a kid, man, I've been all in this here. I'm serious, man. I would been all through all this here. Gators or no gators. I was sharing stories with people before where we used to roam the woods. Gators sitting there. There's a place called Southwest Road in Sanford, Florida. Had a lake that sat back there. And when there was like a refrigerator or something there, but the gators sitting there. As long as we could see the gators, we'll swim. As soon as they came off the bank, then everybody get out the water. Okay, so one part of the video I said this is, oh wow, cool. Wait. One part of the video I said it goes under Morris Bridge. So there's another part. This is a kayaking right there. And I said that with such fondness. I really want to do it. But first, I will. I'll rent one first before I go out there and do that. Actually, I don't even have anywhere to put one. So that means I'm gonna have to make friends, timeshare it, or just rent one. So this is going under Morris Bridge Road. And now I'm on the other side, which, wow, the water's shallow. I always manage to meet the nicest, most informative people out here. It's real refreshing. Just to see people nice for no reason. Isn't that just a really weird thing? Nice for no reason. When I was growing up, man, that's usually how it was. Just nice for no reason. Now, people are just, well, I guess because everybody have their own little issues they're dealing with. They carry that anger, and if you're angry inside, it's kind of hard not to be angry outside.